Cause we starting out again. Then finished up my lunch. We're gonna get down, baby. Finished up my lunch. Pretty good day today. Say about 70 degrees. Got overcast. It's just a little windy today. So, but really good day. Had me some sandwich, some chips, and some water. It's always been one of my favorite spots. But yeah, he's been holding true, real tight, man. Tires been rolling good. I tell anybody, you get the wider tires for your quad, so it runs really good. Of course, I like the new gas cap on it. This was a tire, you probably remember, or added this one last year. No, it's this one, and then we got the Sun F tire. But I had an issue where with the width was kind of a little different. I had to kind of just do a little something to compensate for both ends. But other than that, it's been running good. So we're gonna run about another half hour or so and then bring it in. Got my lunch. Got pretty good videos. Been running pretty much a lot. The Harley content. I just got so much, man. I've been running that. I want to do a overview of the Insta 360. Had issues. We had the X3, and this is a whole nother video I'm gonna do, guys. You don't know why, but we got the X4 now. Now I like Insta 360 overall. It's a bad camera. It does everything. It's a highway camera. If you're trying to do any camera, it totally smokes a GoPro, right? I had this GoPro about 5 or 6 years, and I'm totally liking it. But the issue with the newer camera is I had to upgrade. I got a better tablet with bigger RAM. Actually had bought a bigger a micro memory card, but within the micro memory card I had to actually I got one real Sony, but I got a format it. So when you put it in, they initially sell it to you. They sell it to you on a standard format instead of the format being like a fat 32 or a normal partition that runs with a normal RAM drive. So I got something where I'm a partition it, format, and I should be up going with that one. But I initially had that one for the tablet because with the actual app, you have to have enough space. Like if you got 100 gigabytes, you need actually a whole 100 gigabytes for that one video, right? Plus you got to have enough room on the storage for to put it over there. So that's a whole nother video. I think I'm gonna break it down with that. I think that camera is very interesting. I mean, it does everything. Took a few videos. The last few videos went to Freeport, we went to Chicago, McHenry, and it held true. But I had the X3. Or he said, well, why would you change the X3? Why would you change if you had one? Well, I had some issues with it. I had a warranty on it, and for some reason the lens got scratched. And the videos on the X3, they're pretty much the same. They got an X3, X4, and X5. I got an X4. Well, I took it in because it was on the warranty, and they allowed me to do that. They prorated. I paid a little more, but going up one, it just makes the processing a lot bigger, a lot more, and you're just getting yourself into a whole bunch of stuff that you would just, if you would just got the lens. What I did with the X4, I got the kit, right? With the kit, it's got a lens protector, it's got a sleeve, it's got everything. It's a lot better camera than the 3, but you can't really tell they do all the same thing. Well, the 3 didn't have a lens protector on there, so that was where the issue was at. So it's up and running. This goes with anything. You got to do this, you got to do that to get it running just right. So that will be a video in itself. The new Insta 360 X4. But I will say I do like that. I really do like that. I really do like that that camera. That camera's badass. Here we go. Power in one little in a machine. This thing right here got a lot of power, man. Woo! Oh. Oh. I ain't never turned. It's still fucked up. letting him go. What's up, homie? Doing all this shit. Shit, I do. Shit, I'm off-road like a motherfucker. Oh. How you shoot the gun? Stator on now.